Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to stop Google Chrome tab from automatically refreshing. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So you're going to first open up the Google Chrome web browser. I'm going to have a URL in the description of the video, so Chrome : //flags, FLAGS. Want to enter on your keyboard. And now in the search field here, you want to type in discard. It should say proactive tab freeze and discard. Enables proactive tab freezing and discard. Check inside the drop box here. You can select enabled, enable freeze only, enable freeze and discard, enable freeze and discard, heuristics disabled and disabled. So depends on what you want to do here. So if you want to just enable and freeze only so it doesn't just keep taking up memory, you can select that. You can also enable freeze and discard the tab. However, if you don't really want to do that, happy medium is probably enable freeze only, but you're welcome to play around with that a little bit. So let's relaunch now, and hopefully that should have been able to address your concern. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.